Girlfriends, so if you're like me and you are literally obsessed with the Vogue makeup tutorials, you're gonna like this video. When it comes to the Vogue makeup tutorials, y'all, every time they drop one, I just have to hit play, okay? I don't care if it's a man and they're doing skincare or if it's a woman doing her everyday makeup. My favorite makeup tutorials was Tiana Taylor and Naomi Campbell. Like, I absolutely loved it. Okay, Naomi Campbell was just such an iconic moment. But you guys have been asking me for my everyday makeup tutorial, and I personally don't like doing makeup tutorials because I have to sit down. It's a lot. So we're gonna just do a Vogue inspired makeup tutorial for my everyday makeup look. So if you're interested, girl, let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing I did was put this little band on my head to get my makeup out of my face, and I did my brows off camera because, child, something about doing brows on camera is, girl, they never come out right. They didn't come out the best today, but they are not twins, they're just sisters. So the first thing I'm going to do to prep my skin, I'm going to use this Saint Laurent Glow in Balm. That's literally the name, Glow in Balm. And y'all, I love this stuff. Okay, I actually picked this up from Nordstrom's and I love it. It makes my skin look so pretty underneath my makeup. As I do my makeup, I'm really gonna try to tell y'all all the steps, but I have to chit and chat with you guys, okay? Because it's crazy to me. It is wild that we are literally about to be in August. Well, we're in like the middle of July. We're about to be in August. Like this year, 2023, y'all, she is like, baby, I got some places to be, things to do. I'm out of here. I had so many plans for 2023. And what they say, when you want to make God laugh, tell him your plans. Child, he is dying laughing at me, okay? Because, baby, I had plans. Next, I'm going to go in with my Mario Badescu Rose Water. And we're going to just spray. For foundation, my favorite foundation right now is by Rare Beauty, and I'm using 430W. I also have 460W, but this is a little too dark for me now, so 430 is perfect. And I also like this because I'm not really a full foundation type of girl, like full coverage. I just need like a little here and there, but I don't want like full coverage because I like when my freckles show through my makeup. So to do a little color correcting, I'm going in with my MAC concealer. This is the MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer in NC45. I've already wet my beauty blender, so I'm going to just blend all of this out. Just spray that same rose water and rose water again. I love this rose water, y'all, because it makes my skin so hydrated and it just helps blend my foundation in seamlessly. But back to what I was saying. This year, y'all, I had plans to travel, Miss Mamas. This was gonna be my traveling girl era. I had all of the resorts planned, the flights are booked, and God said, Miss Mamas, you didn't ask me about none of these plans. Also, guys, she's drinking Prosecco, okay? Prosecco. He said, girl, you didn't ask me about none of these plans. God knows me. He knows me, okay? I was telling all my friends, 2023, summer 2023, oh, it's up. I'm a hot girl. I'm outside. Child, I purchased all of these bikinis. Okay, so I'm going in with the same concealer that I did a color correcting, and I'm going to put that just in a corner, on the outer corner, outer, and we gonna just blend that in. But I was telling all my friends, I was like, girl, let me tell you something. I'm about to be in Mexico. I'm about to cut up. I want to go to Greece. I had all of these plans to just do and be and just go. Girl, he stopped it all. But the crazy thing is, he stopped everything literally probably a month before I was supposed to go outside and be a hot girl. he stopped it. And I thank him so much for stopping it, because when I tell y'all, when he stopped everything, he was like, okay, so you want to do this? I'm gonna give you the option. You can go ahead and be a hot girl outside, or you could pick this way. Now this way, his way. One thing about God, y'all, he gonna tell you to go this way, but he ain't gonna give you no instructions, no road map. It's just kind of like you're blind and he just wants you to walk. Truly walk by faith and not by sight. But the best thing about it is when you walk with God, it ain't pretty, but it's so worth it, because child, I could be over here trying to do it my way, and my way I fail, gotta start over, fail again, start over again. And as soon as I do it his way, I succeed on the first try. And I'm like, Geranika, just do it his way, okay? So 2023, my hot girl year was hijacked, and I thank God for hijacking my hot girl year, because my life has changed, y'all, in the best way possible. But I always tell y'all that when it comes to your season of life, don't waste no season, because even in the seasons that I thought, I'm like, man, this is a bad season, I'm learning there's no such thing as a bad season. Every season is there to teach you something or transition you. Every season is for a reason. I truly believe that now. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Tape Shape and Tan Sand. And I like to use this one is way lighter than my skin tone. I like to just dab that right there in. And now I'm going to take this Morphe M105 brush, and I just, because I don't want to move this concealer everywhere, I just want it at the front right here by my nose, just to highlight the inside of my face, because I think this makes my face look so glowy and pretty. With this really small damp beauty blender to just blend that out just a little bit, so it's not all crazy. What I'm doing, I am contouring with the Maybelline Infallible foundation stick, and this thing is so old, I don't even know what color this is, but yeah, it's just a foundation stick. Now I'm using my what is this? Laura Mercier Translucent Honey. One of my favorite translucent powders, because it does not give you flashback, and this looks so good on dark skinned women or women of color in general. And I got this little powder puff from Amazon, and we're just gonna go in and we're gonna push this in. Also with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and this is medium deep, and I'm just gonna use this all over my face to kind of like blend blend and wipe some of the honey powder off. So I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish to bronze, and this is deep dark. I like to use this bronzer because it's not too harsh. I don't really like really dark bronzer anymore, because it makes my skin look very muddy, and I find that the Mineralized Skin Finish just gives me a really pretty glow, and it looks really good with all of my my blushes. I'm going to use that same bronzer, and I'm going to just go ahead and cut that nose off, okay? We want to pinch her to perfection. And I'm using this angle brush from Sigma. This is the medium angle, the E70 brush from Sigma. This is the MAC, girl, look how old this is. They don't even make this pouch anymore. This is Deep Deposit, I believe. by MAC. I got this thing years ago and I just used that to bronze my nose because this bronzer makes my skin look so pretty. Now we're about to move into my eyes. For my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the same concealer, that MAC 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. The first one that we use to color correct and put it on my eyes. And we're gonna just put this on my lid just to prime them, but also color correct them because I do have dark eyelids, unfortunately. That concealer, I'm going back in with that Laura Mercier medium translucent powder, and you don't want a lot of it. You want to just dab it off, and I'm just gonna set the concealer. When y'all do makeup, do y'all call people on the phone? Like, what do y'all do? I would either call somebody on the phone, have a playlist playing. So that's that. Now lately, for the palette that I've been loving, it is this new Morphe palette I picked up. And what's the name of this palette? And the name of it is Solora. Y'all, I love this. It's so me. Look at that. The colors are everything. Now for this palette, I only usually do two colors. I'm gonna go in with this beautiful color here, and I'll go with this one. So these two. And I use the matte one as a base on my lid, just to kind of like give a transition color so I can mix that shimmer right on the lid. I'm going to just place that there. Not too much. I'm gonna go in with that shimmer, but I use my finger. I don't use a brush because I just find it just blends easier with my finger, and I can get all of the color where I want it to go, like so. Real cute, real simple, real cute. I hope y'all can hear the music. One of my neighbors is playing their music very loudly, but who am I to complain? Because after I finish this makeup, the playlist is definitely gonna be playing, okay? Once I put the shadow on the lid like that, I'm gonna go back in with that same brush that I put that first color eyeshadow on. Don't add any more color. I'm just gonna go in and blend out any harsh lines, like so. All right, so next I'm gonna add some mascara to my lashes, and this is the Maybelline Legally Length. I've been using it since high school, girl, and there's probably better mascara out there, but I don't know. Sometimes you just stick to what you know, and I think for me that's the case with this. Alright, so now I'm about to put on my lashes. For lashes, I'm going in with my Kiss lashes. I got these in PR. I love them. I literally had to go out and buy me a few new pairs because, girl, this is so good. And this is Avant-Garde. This is the most mink-like lash. So good. She's yummy, okay? Wow, lashes would do it for you. So once I put on my lashes, I'm gonna go back in with the same mascara and just add a little mascara on the bottom lash. During the daytime, I don't add any liner or shadow at the bottom lash because it just looks a little too heavy for a daytime look. So I just add a little mascara. So when it comes to my makeup, the number one question I get asked the most is, G, drop the lip combo. So let me tell y'all what I be using. My favorite lip liner is going to be the Morphe lip liner, and this is the name of it's Trendsetter. I love her down. She is perfect, okay, for dark skin. She's not too dark, but she's dark enough, okay? So I'll just go ahead and outline my lips with her. Next, I'm gonna go in with the NYX soft matte lip cream in Abu Dhabi. This is my favorite lip cream. Now if I want to have just a matte lip, anytime you see me with the matte lip on, it's going to be the Abu Dhabi and the Trendsetter lip liner. That's it. But I think today I want to go for a glossy lip. And just to add definition back into my lip, I'm going to go back in with that lip liner and just give it a little more definition. I usually like to let that lip dry to a matte finish to see if I want to add more lip liner or add more lipstick to it, or even add my gloss. Always let this lip dry down before you add anything else. So while the lip dry down, I'm going to go ahead and add some blush. Now today I think I'm feeling pink, so I'm going to go in with this Always Rosy by e.l.f., one of my favorite pink blushes. So I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M105 brush and just tap. And I usually take just a little and rub it over my nose. And to blend my blush in so I don't look crazy, I go in with this Sigma Duo Fiber brush. This is the F50 Sigma brush, and I'm just gonna blend that in so you don't see any harsh lines or anything. Now for this look, I do want to add a lip gloss, so I'm going to go in with my NYX Butter Gloss, and this is Fortune Cookie Biscuit. It's messed up, so it's BLG13. I think it's like Fortune Cookie Biscuit something, I don't know. So I'm going to just add this over the matte lip, and this is just going to give me a really pretty gloss. She's cute. So this is pretty much the look, but to tie my look in, me personally, I like to use my Mario Badescu rose water to just tie it in. I personally like when my makeup have a very natural soft look, and I feel like this is the only thing that gives me that very hydrated skin look. Like if you walk up to me, you can still see the freckles on my nose, and it's because I personally feel like this. And I also don't do like a really heavy application when it comes to makeup. So for like a makeup spray or setting spray, I usually use my rose water. Alright girlfriends, so this is the final look. This is my everyday go-to makeup look. It was very simple, very easy, and this is something that anybody can do, okay? I'm going to link all of the products down below. Hopefully I was telling you girls all of the steps, because I was forgetting, because I was doing a little bit of chatting and a whole lot of drinking. So I kept forgetting to tell you guys the steps, but if I missed anything, go ahead, comment down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you.